Hello, welcome to the Thrive Mediation channel, where couples are empowered with the tools they need to thrive in their marriage. This is especially the case for those couples whose relationship has turned into a roommate situation. This is also known as the roommate syndrome. Now, are you one of those couples? Then like and subscribe to this channel because I'll be bringing you vital content that will transform your relationship to one where you both find fulfillment. In this 10-part video series, I'll be talking about power of questions. The power of questions, yes. Because you see, questions are so powerful because it is the most efficient and authentic way to gain insight on any topic. And there is no insight more important than the one you gain about yourself. This is also known as self-awareness. Your level of self-awareness determines the quality of interaction you have with people. And nowhere is this interaction more prevalent than in a couple's relationship. The truth is this: the more you know about yourself, the more confident you'll be at setting healthy boundaries. And setting healthy boundaries bring love and respect into a relationship. You see, women need love while men need respect. And if you noticed, I didn't use the word want, I used the word need because there is a distinct difference between the two. So, in this video series, I'll be giving you 10 powerful questions that will change the way you think so you can ultimately change your life and your relationships for the better. All right. Welcome to day 6 of the 10-part question that will change your life. If you have not watched the previous days, please go back and watch them because these exercises are not meant to be rushed. I really want you to put into practice what you learn here, one day at a time. A solid foundation of self-awareness will really come in handy in your relationships. So with that said, today the question is, how does the rest of the world view me? Now, you might be quick to say, I don't care what anyone thinks of me. All that matters is how I view myself. Now, if this is you, then you're making a huge mistake. Because when you refer to the word, quote unquote, anybody, as in you don't care what, quote unquote, anybody thinks of you, it's easy to forget that part of that, quote unquote, anybody is your husband, your wife, your children, your best friend, your mom, your dad, and even your dog. It's good practice to do a self-reflection and determine if your actions are hurting the ones you love. When you don't care what anybody thinks, you might be hurting the ones you love unknowingly. Now, is this to say you should care about everyone's view of you? Absolutely not. Because some people out there are just downright bitter, hateful, mean, rude, and are basically simply envious of you for no reason. The key is to be selective of the people whose opinion is of value to you. These people should be those you know build you up and not bring you down. People who are there for you through the good and the bad. These types of people are those who challenge you to be the best version of yourself. They are the ones who bear witness to how far you've come and are eager to celebrate that growth with you. Unfortunately, most people are clueless about how they come off to others. When you have no one to give you feedback or call you out, in a constructive manner, it's easy to be oblivious about how negatively you come off to others. That's why, even though it's said, don't care about what people say, the healthier approach would be to ignore the people who are trying to pull you down, but listen to those who want to lift you up. The perception we have of ourselves are often exaggerated or outright wrong. We really need people who can highlight our blind spots in a loving and constructive manner. We need people who can bring out the best in us. If you can take some time to see yourself as the rest of the world sees you, aka your spouse, girlfriend, or boyfriend, or your dog, or your cat, I don't discriminate, you would probably identify a few simple tweaks that can change the worldview of you in a positive manner. It is never too late to get started on a journey of self-discovery. As Jim Rohn said, never wish life were easier. Wish that you were better. So go ahead, seek out people you trust to highlight your blind spots and make the change. If you like this kind of content, please hit the cute little blue like button. It will really help me out. And also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you want to know the next powerful question that will change your life and your relationship, click the video on your screen to find out. See you in the next video.